Today I'm going to restore an antique soldering iron. So let's get into the project. My challenge is I'm only going to use one tool, a file. Now I'm going to work on this part of it, and this part of it, and then this little metal cap here. It would be so nice if I could just take the sandpaper and just sand this, but I can't. I have to use my file. It is a one-tool challenge, so anyway, let's just see if I can make it look all nice without the sandpaper. Oh, that's that filing. After I finish restoring this, I'm actually going to put this in the fire and actually see if I can weld something up with this. So hopefully I've restored it well enough and see if it works. Anyway, let's finish the project. Not a smoke. And if you want to speed up the drying time of this, you just need to do this. Thank you so much for watching the video of me restoring the antique soldering iron. And here is a sneak peek of next week's video. when I will be gluing up 102 paddle pop sticks to try and make a fidget spinner. Hope you enjoy. Three, 4, 5, 6. It's got a real bow here. To be continued in the video called How to Make a Fidget Spinner out of 100 paddle pop sticks. Hope I see you there. Well, it's actually 102 to be exact.